So today we're out exploring the little city that we're actually staying in called Carpinteria, or the cool people call it Carp. We read that on a blog this morning. So that's how we're gonna refer to it for the rest of this vlog. But yeah, we are staying at an Airbnb a couple blocks away from the main little part where all the shops and restaurants are. And we're gonna go to breakfast and then walk around, maybe hit the beach later. And of course the wedding is tonight, so we need to get pretty, pre-drink a little bit because we bought liquor and we don't want to waste it. And that's gonna be our day. Here they have kombucha on draft, and this is the watermelon. And then Kelsey got the ginger and spirulina.
It's an R, spirulina.
Spirulina.
In my
spirulina. We're trying all the hot sauces.
Not all of them.
I'm trying all the hot sauces. So apparently this is called the world's safest beach because the waves are not crazy here. It's very calm, and I think most of this coastline is a little crazier, like surfer's paradise, but this barely has any waves at all, so the world's safest beach.
Oh, it's cold.
I got one of these and this. I don't know what's in it, but it looks cool. She got one of those. A little Mexican snack. This one looks like a swan. World's largest grapevine.
Hello, so we are Coastland, and here we have a program where kids can come from the high school and we can teach them to make everything you see, and then when it sells they get the profit. That's awesome!
Grabbed some fries from the burger spot. Kelsey insisted that I get fries. I didn't really want fries. I think she secretly just wants one fry. We'll see. But now we're gonna go home and get ready so we can go party at this wedding. There, how nice. So the reason we did an Airbnb, first of all, the venue is 4 minutes away from here driving. You can't walk there because it's like on a highway, so we have to Uber, but it's really close versus staying in Santa Barbara. Second, there's 2 of us, and if it's just me and Brian, where we would sleep in the same bed, probably could have gotten a hotel, but it's my sister and I. So I have 1 bedroom, and she has 1 bedroom, and I have 1 bathroom, and she has 1 bathroom. We have a kitchen, we have a living room, we have a balcony, and it's the same price a night as a hotel. So like, yeah, we could have gotten 2 queen beds. Yeah, we could have gotten 1 king bed, but why? When we could have this whole 2-bedroom apartment to ourselves. It just makes more sense. You know? All right, step 1. Let's get this makeup done. So we have 2 bathrooms. One is the makeup salon and one is the hair salon. This is the hair salon. Welcome to Lauren's salon in Carpinteria, California. Grab it, twist it, and pull it. Curled like this. I'm not a fan of the way it's curled like this. I always call it like prom curls. So what I do is dance. Normally I would brush out the curls, but what I do literally is this. And that's my hair. This is why she travels with me. So that I can do her makeup. I hope we look good. Beautiful. Beautiful day for a wedding. You did well. You did well. Oh, wow. Cheers. I've been trying to get Brian to have vows forever. Don't judge you.
Are we
doing? Do you even know you look like that before we get the camera out?
Nope.
You're gonna burn yourself.
So I clamp it and I twist it and then I pull it. Ow, these are sharp.